what's going on, what's up. Hello, it is a Monday. Follow me around today because today is just a vlogging type of day. We're gonna see what happens today. Sis needs to go ahead and get the smile all right. So we're gonna go into the dentist real quick and see what's up with this good grill. I have things I have to do, errands and things like that, but why am I messing my ear? Here's the thing about what's going on right now. I'm actually sitting in the parking lot. This is why you're seeing all these cars. I'm in the dentist's office parking lot. What they do for waiting room is that you have to call, and they do a virtual waiting room, and then they call you back to let you know when they're ready for you to come in. This will be fun. I will pop back in after I'm out of the dentist's office. Definitely had my fair share for insurance today. I done called so many people just to try to figure out what I need to do when it comes down to my dental plan. I really am learning how to have patience. I just need clear answers. They had me pregnant, and I'm clearly not pregnant. Why is my dental insurance saying I'm pregnant? Clearly I'm not. Somebody has messed up, but it is what it is. I have some errands I have to run. I have to go to the grocery store. And I had to do some edits, but you know, I just wanted to say good morning. Getting ready to put my groceries away. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys now have a regimen of putting how you put your groceries away? Comments down below and let me know, because it takes me almost about 20 minutes to put my groceries away now because of the precautions and everything like that. So just let me know if you have the same thing going on with cleaning your groceries, because I do a whole thing. I basically have to double disinfect. So let me know if you're doing the same thing I'm doing. Oh my gosh, my nose is itching. So now you guys understand why I be having bleach on my shirt. If you looked at my previous video, you see that I had a tie-dye of shirts that I basically bleach because I've been wiping down everything. And you see why? Because I wiped down my groceries and all the things. Now I got bleach splatters. Should I tie-dye this or just do little bleach spackles? Or is it speckles? Speckles on this shirt. Because I'm not going to go out the house with little bleach spots on it. I need to stop. So I'm in my room right now, and I just started getting out of nowhere. I started to feel a little bit off. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and do some meditation. I got on my Snuggie, and I'm getting ready to put on my headphones and do a quick meditation. The meditation that I use is Tibetan singing bowls that are on YouTube, but they do like things with your chakra and all those things. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick meditation. I'm not really feeling much of productivity, so but I always put my Snuggie on so I can feel like I'm in a little cozy little blanket of love, but it has clouds on it. It is Saturday. I'm getting ready to go get lunch and dinner. So today is just a work day. So I'm gonna bring you right along with us. Well, with me. I don't know why I say us. Let's rock and roll. Listen. So I listened to my sister, and she was like, go to this such and such pizza place, right? So I went over there. We got pizza yesterday because we started our work night yesterday, and so I was like, all right, let me go ahead and try. The appetizers was good, but the pizza was not. I hate it when my expectations were high, when someone hypes stuff up and then the expectation goes down. because you like, this is not really that good. I trusted you with my taste buds. Your little recommendation was not good.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us.
We're at the safari park.
Yeah.
We're excited. So far, Boo Boo has only done little animals because the other animals try to attack us.
Yeah. Hey, you want to know how we started the day off?
What?
As soon as we came into the park, the car in front of us had this whole feed bowl snatched by the huge steroid-infested moose out here.
No.
Yeah, I said moose. You don't never see nothing with rattlers that big. And just snatched
like,
the whole bowl.
That's like Morse.
And see, now I'm sitting here, everybody, oh, the cute little deers. Guess who got their hand in the bucket in the line of fire? Me. That's who.
Anyway, this is Sunday outing, our first outing since lockdown, and I'm having fun. I'm driving.
And I'm in here looking like Sub-Zero.
But look.
Getting my fingers threatened by deer. What's up? Y'all want something? Y'all good? Y'all want something? Y'all good? Y'all need something? You don't want nothing?
Look.
Really? You don't want nothing? It's because I'm black, ain't it? Take it when I leave.
Look at this guy.
Oh, okay.
Look at this guy. Trips. Trips.
Bet you, You
Trips.
take the feed now. Guess what? All deers matter you. You gonna treat me like that? I've been feeding all your friends out here. You gonna judge me?
Listen.
You gonna judge me?
We've been having so much fun. That's all I have to say. There are buffalo. They big too. Look at the buffalo.
No.
It's a yak. It is a yak. It is a yak.